ZV1 camera is here. This is the day that I've been waiting for. Oh my gosh, I have to fix this, bro. Let's go get our packages. Howdy, y'all. She's here.
If they say I ain't the baddest, then the motherfuckers lie.
What's up, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. Hold on, I gotta put it on because. What's up, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. As y'all read by that title, I'm gonna be doing a camera unboxing. Y'all, I'm super excited because I've been patient and I've been wanting this camera for so long, and this was actually one of the biggest gifts on my Christmas wish list that I really wanted, and I got it. So shout out to my mama because period, she's not. So this is the camera, y'all. I'm just gonna be doing an unboxing of the camera. It's been a minute since I unboxed like a techie type of product. That's what you about to be doing, y'all. I'm so excited. I did all my research on this camera and it's so freaking bomb. The quality, everything about it is so bomb. I also bought some accessories for it. I'm gonna show y'all the accessories that I bought for it in a second. When you open the box, it's just this paper on top. We're gonna take that off. It's just some papers and all of that. More papers. We're gonna get into that in a second. Oh my gosh, it's so freaking tiny. Like, so I got this little cord. I'm guessing this is like to charge it. I got the little dead cat thing, they call it, that goes over the speaker to knock out the wind noise. I did my research, I told y'all. I got the battery, and then that's all that's in there. I like the packaging, real straight to the point. Here's the camera. This camera is so small. Like, I didn't not expect this to be, it's literally smaller than my phone. And she was a pretty penny, but oh my god, she's beautiful. Y'all, make sure y'all subscribe to my channel because the quality just got turned up a notch, period. And I really hope like this investment takes me far, and I hope it's worth it because I am still a smaller YouTuber and I love my iPhone 11. I'm just tired of running out of storage. That's my only thing, like editing on my phone and running out of storage. That's my biggest thing. That's the reason why I decided to get me a camera. So subscribe to your girl channel and help me grow and just support my channel so we can go up. But I'm super duper excited, y'all. I've watched so many videos and now here it finally is in person. It's so freaking beautiful. I just did not expect it to be this small, but she's beautiful. I'm really sad. Well, I'm not sad, I'm happy, but I honestly should have went ahead and snagged this camera on Black Friday because it was like $100 cheaper. I think I paid like $840 something after tax for my camera, and I think for Black Friday it was like $700. So, but whatever, I'm just grateful to have it. Subscribe, child, because this camera was expensive and I'm ready for my channel to go up. Hold on. Okay, all right, y'all, so here's this camera. I don't know, like I don't know, I'm just excited. Like, I'm ready to bust it open, but I know y'all probably kind of want to see it. So like, here it is. It's been such a minute since I did. Like, I'm not a techie unboxing type of, you know what, I'm lying. I've did plenty ring light reviews. Here's the top of the camera. You got all of these buttons, your mode, your on and off, shutter button, record button for video, where you put the dead cat thingy, the little grip thing. You got like your charging port, I think it's like an HDMI port, charging port, a little jack thing, and then nobody really talks about this in the reviews, but like, I guess because it's not that important to people, but I actually got me a cute little keychain, like wristlet thing to put on my camera because I know that it's not super big. You don't need a strap, like a camera strap, for this tiny little camera. So I just got me like a little like off-white inspired little keychain thing. I'm excited for those to come. I purchased mine off of Etsy, so that's the only thing that's not going to be in this haul. But yeah, y'all, this is the camera. It got the flip out screen. Like, anyways, so I got the flip out screen. It has all these other little buttons down here. I'm excited. Okay, I know this needs to be charged probably. So I'm finna open the bottom where the battery goes, and I'm put the battery in here. I'm actually purchasing some more of these for sure. Like later down the road, I'll invest more into this camera, but I'm gonna need another battery and like a little battery charging thing. I'm like, all of that, just all of that. Okay, I'm putting the battery in right now, and I'm also gonna put the SD card in. So from Amazon, I purchased. I know this is like midways into the camera, but whatever, I'm just gonna show y'all. I purchased an additional wide lens because a lot of people were talking about these on YouTube and that this is a good wide lens because this camera is like very zoomed in, especially when you're doing like some of the different settings. It just makes it super zoomed in. So yeah, I just bought that lens. I went ahead and purchased a 64GB SD card. Wait, is this called an SD card? I think it is called an SD card. Yes, an SD card. I purchased that, and then I also went ahead and purchased this tripod. This was super popular and recommended because it kind of extends, again, because the camera is so like closed in on your face. It kind of extends out, and it's very mini and handheld for this camera. Nothing too big and bulky, because this camera, look at it in the palm of my hand, and my hand is not big. Like, this camera is small. So wait, hold on. All right, y'all, I got a text. So yeah, I really like this because a lot of people were recommending it. It was super affordable. And extension tripod, like I said, it's mini as hell, it's handheld. So those are the 3 things that I purchased from Amazon for my camera. I'm gonna go ahead and insert the SD card. That was the whole point of me opening that early. SD card, I just started off with 64GB. I think that'll be fine for now, and then eventually I'll probably get one like this big, like a 128. So now the battery and the SD card is in there. The battery's right here, the SD card goes right behind it. I told y'all I did my research. Wow. Okay, let's turn it on. I don't know if it's gonna, oh, it did turn on. Oh my gosh. Okay, y'all finna set it up with me. Let's go. All right, y'all, so here it is. This is a little bit better quality because I'm using my back camera. I guess I'm gonna give y'all another view of the camera. So freaking beautiful, y'all. And it's super like lightweight, it's not heavy. Okay, let's set it up. So we're gonna do English. Your girl lives in Wisconsin, so I'm gonna go ahead. New York, okay, Chicago, so that makes sense. Wait a minute, I think that's right. Today is, what is today? December 28th. I know that much. Whoops. Okay, it's the 28th, and it is, let me check. It's 2:28 p.m. I'm gonna just put it at 29 because okay, there we go. There it is. I actually downloaded this like a psycho early before I got my camera, so this is already on my phone. This is gonna be for like when you want to get your pictures from your camera onto your phone, and I think video too. So I already my nail look dirty, y'all. I already went ahead and set that up. Y'all heard her? Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, the only thing, this is gonna be something to get used to. It's so, the screen is so tiny compared to my phone. Let's try taking a picture. Oh wow. Okay, how do I look at it? Child, I'm gonna have to set this. I gotta set it up, y'all. I just took a picture. I don't even know how to look at the picture that I just took. Oh, I pushed that. Oh, look at the picture, guys. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and actually set this up off of camera. There is a video, I'll link it down in the description box as well as in the iCards of, I think it's 2 different channels where I watched, and they just they showed you like all the basic settings that you should, like, you know, the recommended settings basically. But yeah, y'all, this is my camera. I still have a lot of learning to do, so I don't really know like what else to oh my gosh, do y'all see the zoom on this? This is all the way zoomed out and all the way zoomed in. This is me, and y'all, I'm so super excited, y'all. I'm gonna go set this up and yeah, and do that. It'll turn off on its own. Wow. Okay, y'all, here go the little tripod. This is gonna be something to get used to because the screen is so little. Show y'all, let's do the quality. I'm gonna insert it on here, but oh, this is very zoomed in. Okay, let's try to do this. Oh, I'm pushing stuff. Oh my gosh, no. All right, y'all, this is how the quality looks. Matter of fact, I'm supposed to be looking at the lens. What's that on YouTube? It's gonna be something to get used to because I want to look at myself, but I know that it makes a huge difference when you look into the side of the camera versus looking into the lens. So that's gonna be something I'm gonna practice. This what's the face is really helpful because y'all, this camera is very zoomed in, like they were saying. So this little tripod just allows for it to be like more in the scene, as well as my wide lens too. So I'm gonna try to see how that goes on here. But yeah, y'all, this is how the camera's looking. I didn't set any settings up yet. Oh my gosh, this focus is boom. Oh, they got it on product. I think it's on product showcase mode. Cause like if you show something, oh my gosh, did y'all see that? So here, guys, this is my little remote. They was not lying. This is what really sold me, was the autofocus. Like, what more is there to say? I'm looking at myself again. Okay. I'm excited. I am. I'm super excited. Okay, let me zoom out because I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. And that's just on period. I'm about to go set this up for real. Matter of fact, I lied because I thought I was supposed to be testing out the freaking wide lens. I feel like I'm about to break something. And before I do that, before I break something, I'm gonna look at the instructions. Just colors. Oh, this is the lens. I think this is the adapter ring right here. Yeah. Oh, this is like a sticky type of thing that you gotta do. Oh my gosh, this is a lot. It is a whole entire like wide lens that can go on my camera now, so the picture, you know, the video will be wide enough and it won't look like it's just so closed in. So I'm gonna just put that back, but that's the wide lens. This one lens was $50 on Amazon. I'm gonna link everything in the description box below. I bought my camera. I don't even say. I bought my camera from Best Buy. And all of the accessories from Amazon will be linked in the description box below. So that's the end of this video, y'all. I'm about to go have fun setting this up, and I'm gonna have company in a minute. So I hope y'all enjoyed my little unboxing. I need to do a thumbnail. With that being said, y'all, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. We on the road to 5K. Quality just went up. I'm gonna catch y'all in my next video. Hit that bell for post notifications too.
ever asked was you to pick up the phone when you phone. All I ever asked was you to show me some love, kiss me some hug.